Now, if you are going to get complex, like do an M3, I'm not saying an M3 performs better than a bull trade. As a matter of fact, I don't think it really does. I think it's probably fairly similar. And it's a whole lot more complex. So to trade the M3 for the purpose of trading the M3 and expecting to outperform a bull trade, it's probably not going to happen over long periods of time. It'll happen from year to year. It might happen. But the bull trade will outperform the M3 from year to year. The reason you should be trading the M3 and learning these positions is so you can go into something like the rock trade, go into something like M21, be subjective and really crank your money up, really crank your performance up, not to 21%, but to 100%. If you want to do that, running through the M3 cycle is fantastic, right? It's fantastic because you can do that. Running through advanced position management is fantastic. But the reality is, mechanically, it's very easy to make money in the market. That's my point. If you can just get yourself to psychologically do it. It is that important. So if you're not making money in the markets, you really should take a serious look at that.